Hi, in this video I'm going to explore the functions of this very useful multifunction relay module. I've found quite hard how it works, but after trying and retrying, I've managed to find out almost all the functions. So, here they are. I hope you will find easy to understand and helpful. Okay, before I start exploring, let me tell you some the benefit of this product. You can use this as a controller of motors, robots, smart homes, automatic irrigation, indoor ventilation, and so on. Long press the set button to go into setup mode. Now press up or down button to choose which mode you want. Long press the set button to set it, and it will stop flashing. In P1 the relay will turn on for the time of OP and then it will turn off. And the trigger signal will be invalid if it get it in the delay time of OP. In P2, the relay will turn on for the time of OP and then it will turn off. And delay time of OP will be resetted if it get trigger signal again. In P3, the relay will turn on for the time of OP and then it will turn off. And the module will reset and stop timing if it gets trigger signal again during the time of OP. In P4, the relay will keep off for the time of CL and then it will turn on for time of OP and then it will turn off again. In P5, the relay will keep on for time OP after getting the trigger signal and then relay turn off for time of CL and then loops the above action. The module will reset and stop timing and relay will be off if it gets trigger signal again during loops. In P6, the relay will keep on for time OP after power on without getting trigger signal and then relay will keep off for time of CL and then loops the above action. In P7, the signal hold function resets delay time and relay keeps on if keep getting trigger signal. Relay turns off when the signal disappears. Resets delay time when gets trigger signal again during timing. Okay, after going through all these settings, let's shed some light on its complicated timing functions. When the time flashes, press the stop button.